How to make a living picture with moss and succulents. Follow this step-by-step guide and you'll easily master it. You'll need a decorative frame, some plants, and moss, and with a bit of crafty effort, you'll create a beautiful decoration for both your exterior and interior. Walls without pictures look empty and dull. Not everyone is an art lover, and often you need to add more greenery to the interior to make the space feel airier and more pleasant. Sometimes, the wall that needs decorating is part of a terrace or garden seating area, where traditional art doesn't fit. In such cases, a living picture made of indoor plants, succulents, or moss in a frame is a perfect solution. It's a great and affordable way to brighten up boring walls. You can make a living picture yourself. Succulents can be bought cheaply at a garden center or a cactus exhibition, and moss can be collected for free outdoors. It thrives in moist and shady places, so you can find it at the base of trees, on rocks, and around buildings in your garden. Then, all you need are a few picture frames, which you can easily find inexpensively at a flea market. Cheap frames can also be purchased from furniture chains or stores that sell decorations. What you'll need: picture frames, hardboard, crushed strips 3 to 5 centimeters wide, sandpaper, solvent, lint-free cloth, primer suitable for outdoor use, brush, varnish, wire mesh, stapler, succulents and moss. Prepare the frames. You don't need to modify the frame itself, no need to varnish or antique it. If you want the frame to have an aged or eclectic look, choose various sizes and shapes. Remove the back cover and front glass, then thoroughly wipe the frame with a cloth to remove all dust and dirt. If the back cover is made of sufficiently sturdy material, you can use it as the bottom of the soil tray. To smooth the surface of the frame, use fine sandpaper. Sand it and then degrease it with alcohol and a cloth, which will allow the paint to adhere properly to the wood. If the frame is metal, use a solvent and remove any peeling paint with a brush. Apply a primer to the frames, making sure to cover every spot thoroughly. Let it dry completely. Then, choose the base color for the frames and evenly apply 2 to 3 coats over the primer. Allow each coat to dry completely before applying the next one. Create the base for the plants. Measure the wire mesh according to the back of the frames to create space for the greenery. Make sure to secure the mesh properly. Prepare a tray for the soil. Attach cut wooden strips around the edge of a piece of hardboard that is slightly smaller than the frame. Line this prepared tray with an impermeable film and attach it to the back of the frame with the mesh. Pour soil through the mesh. Weave moss and succulents into the mesh. In some places, you may need to pull parts of the mesh together to secure the plants in place. Elsewhere, thin wire can be used. Continue until the entire frame is filled. Attach the frame to the wall,